Hi everyone, my name is Florencia and I am the founder of Ullvuna. This is the first book I published, you may know it. It's focused on pillow weaving, and this year I have self-published the second book, which gathered the 30 patterns I designed during last year, divided in collections. There is a Scandinavian collection, a Bohemian collection, a birthday party collection, etc. And you have here the basic instructions on how to do pillow weaving. It's an amazing tool to follow instructions and to be inspired. So you're very welcome to dive into my web. There's so much amazing stuff I have designed with so much passion. I hope you like it. I am sure you will like them. So you're very welcome to visit my web. See you next time.